Hi guys, it's me, and this girl, she ordered a squishy package, so I gotta take this squishy package, and yeah, I already got one of her squishies ready, but yeah, so I don't have any boxes, but I got this bag that has a hole in it, but I mean, she probably won't care that it's in a bag. And put it in the corner. But for the first thing that she wanted a jumbo mermaid squishy, but I only have this little mercat thing. It's kind of small, but there is a little hole in it, but who cares? And she wanted a extra large Pinimaru pig squishy, but I'm just gonna give her this little stiff squish-delish pig in a blanket squishy. It's also a little small. Then she ordered a Billy the Whale, but I don't have a Billy the Whale, but I do have this little narwhal. Super squishy and slow rising. So slow rising. I'm not gonna give her that. Let me see what else I got. Ooh, I got a whale. I'll just give her this as her Billy the Whale. Then she wanted the jumbo strawberry milk squishy, which I got here. It's not that jumbo at all. She wanted the twin eye bloom hamsters, but I don't have any eye bloom product. I said I do, but I don't. But I'm just gonna give her this non-defected squishy hamster from Squish-Delish. And then I'm just gonna give her this little slushy one. She wanted this strawberry and mango shake squishy, but I'm just gonna give her the mango and strawberry macaroon squishy thing, because I don't know, I'm just gonna give her that. Then last but not least, she wanted the Cafe Bien jumbo waffle squishy thing, but she wanted it to be a Hello Kitty waffle. I only have that. I might be able to find some kind of Hello Kitty product. I'm not that sure. I found something Hello Kitty product. So I found a homemade Hello Kitty donut and waffle, so then boom, Hello Kitty waffle. Yeah, I dropped some stuff. So I think that is all she ordered, right? Yeah. But then she wanted 5 squishy extras. That's a little greedy, so I think I'm just gonna give her 1 squishy extra because she asked for extras. So the extra I'm gonna give her is this green bun. And since I'm nice, I'm gonna give her 1 more extra. And I don't know what her favorite color is, so I don't even know if it's girl. But I'm gonna give her / him a blue and pink Pawnee bead. And I think that's all I'm gonna give them, because because she asked for too much information and stuff. But I have my permanent ID card, and I'm just gonna give it to her and write my name on it. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ship it. I just realized her address is literally like right down the street and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and go just ship this manually and then hope for the best. So yeah.
Someone must be here.
Take it. Give me my money.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay, that was kind of weird. So I got my squishy package that I've been waiting for like 2 months, and it has a hole at the bottom, and it's supposed to be in a box, not a bag. But let's just check it out. I ordered twins. I forget what I ordered, but twins, they're not twins. I mean, they're okay. I mean, this one has a rip. This one's kind of stiff. And then I ordered a mango, like, smoothie thing. This isn't a mango smoothie. Then I ordered a jumbo pig in a blanket. A jumbo. And it's really stiff. Then I ordered a panda bun. Like what? What? I didn't order this. What? I don't know. I ordered a whale. A jumbo whale. I ordered a Hello Kitty waffle. They gave me a jumbo, and they gave me a small one and a homemade one. I think this is an extra. Found her card. Don't go order from Gena Marie 34. What even is this? I mean, come on. I paid $15 for this was not worth it, guys. Do not order from Gena Marie 34. Just don't.
Hey guys.
Bye.
Ow. I'm back. This was a skit that we did. Ow, my eye. But basically, all the squishies were pretty good except for some of them. But, I mean, there were a few flaws because Libby was watching YouTube while I was doing my part, so she wasn't really listening, but who cares? But guys, I actually really, yeah. But this packaging, I made this packaging. It's the first packaging that I've ever made, and it's super nice. But yeah, unicorns are real, FYI. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to join the Beach Squad. It is the best squad to be in. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.